Hamilton versus Burr, Pepsi versus Coke, Swift versus West, Corn Dog versus Pronto Pup? These are some of the biggest feuds in history. We can't solve everything in one video, but today we are pitting dog against dog. And with the help of our taste buds and science, we are going to declare the winner. Before we step into it, please crush the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notifications for Neel's Nibbles videos. Hey, Neel here. It's August and I'm here at the Minnesota State Fair in St. Paul. My happy place. This is where I come every summer to try out my favorite foods, very authentic Minnesotan. I'm really excited. I can't wait to get in there and devour myself through the State Fair. Let's go. We are here at the Minnesota State Fair, or the Great Minnesota Get-Together, arguably the biggest and the best state fair in the country, drawing around 2 million people a year during its 12 days of fun. It's the place to put this food feud to rest. No time for nothing except food. Uh-oh, too much traffic. While it's true that both Corn Dogs and Pronto Pups are both juicy sausages encased in golden brown battered fried perfection on a stick, don't be fooled, they are very different. All Pronto Pups are... Wait, what? All Pronto Pups are not corn dogs. All corn dogs are Pronto Pups, but not all. Every Pronto Pup is a corn dog, but not every corn dog is a Pronto Pup. It comes down to the batter. Both have cornmeal in their batter, which makes them both corn dogs. But the Pronto Pup also has wheat and rice flours. It also has just a pinch of sugar compared with the more generous dusting in the corn dog. In other words, it's less sweet than the corn dog. The Corn Dog Pronto Pup feud goes back more than half a century, and if you're from Minnesota or been to the fair, you probably already picked a side. Fun fact, the Pronto Pup was the first food on a stick at the Minnesota State Fair all the way back in 1947. For that alone, it will always have my respect and admiration. I'm excited to toss my taste buds into the ring. But beyond that, we have science. A machine was invented just to figure out which Minnesotan is on the right side of history. More specifically, a 3D printed tray, robot arm, and a tracking device from Dunwoody College. Fairgoers cast their vote for the top dog and get a pin to show off their dog on a stick pride. Looks like Corn Dog Pronto Pups are neck and neck right now, but it's still early and anything can happen. Before I plunge into the dog-eat-dog competition, I'm going to whet my appetite with some fair food. More specifically, a new food debuting this year and one of my all-time old-time treats. Can I have shrimp and grits fritter, please? $5. I'm trying the shrimp and grits. I really like this dish in its original form, but this is a state fair version of things. So it's fried, it's in a ball, and it has a sauce. This is a new food for the state fair in 2019. It's really good. Deep fried, an additional layer of taste. And it's a little spicy, it's got a kick to it. Super creamy. Let the shrimp and the grits dance inside. Lovely. Lovely. And now to the proven heavyweight of the fair. One of my first stops every year, the cream puff. Can I have 2 vanilla please and 1 strawberry? Strawberry? They have strawberry, vanilla, and chocolate. They're simple trifecta. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thanks, you too. In my hand is a cream puff. A simple sandwich that is going to put a smile on anyone's face. And let me show you the ingredients before I start devouring this. Just cream. Just cream. No 20 different condiments, no fancy charcuterie. Cream. Wow. Pure, creamy goodness. The bread of the sandwich is super flaky. It's crunchy on the top. It's got an egg flavor to it, like an egg waffle. Freshness is, I think, the most important ingredient in this cream puff, which sets it apart from everything else. I suggest not eating this on your first date. Amazing. Alright, I feel ready for the competition. I'm going to start with the fair's original corn dog, the Pronto Pup. Thank you. I'm here with the Pronto Pup. There are two kinds of Minnesotans, the ones who like Pronto Pups and the ones who like corn dogs. We're going to find out once and for all who's the damn winner. This is really good. First impressions, super crunchy on the outside. I can taste the corn flour and some wheat flour. It's a bit on the salty side. You don't see too many Pronto Pups running around in other state fairs, but corn dogs, dime a dozen, any part of the country. This is pretty good. The bar is set pretty high with the Pronto Pup, so I'm very curious what the corn dog has to offer. I can't wait. I want to see what this whole rivalry is all about. For now, for a person who's just tried the Pronto Pup and not the corn dog at the state fair, I think I'm going to vote for the Pronto Pup. But we'll see. Next up is the corn dog. We are headed to Pronto Dog to try it out. Here we are with the corn dog, and to make this fight fair, we got this from a place called Pronto Dog, which has also been here for 50 years in the state fair. So I think this is as close as it can get with both players on the level playing field. And this is the corn dog, the quintessential fair food that is found across the entire country. And let's see what this has. It's supposed to have more cornmeal, so it's going to be a slightly sweeter, but wow. You know, it's interesting. It's deep fried. The same. It doesn't feel very oily. Super crispy on the outside. The cornmeal is kind of soft. The texture flavors are perfect. It's sweeter. It's almost like a cornbread. It's really nice. It's really light. You can have a couple of them. It's great. The second bite is even better. I'm going to go with, drum roll, corn dog. It is my verdict. Corn dog. Pronto Pup gave it a good fight, but I think sweetness in the cornmeal really does it for the corn dog. So it's great. That said, they both served their purpose in making my tummy happy and the fairgoers happy. So really, they're doing their job, an excellent job for 50 long years. It's no easy task, really. I'm going to show them my respect by eating more of them. Now to the robot to officially cast my vote. Before I announce the winner of Dunwoody's scientifically rigorous statistical study, a question. If Pronto Pups are corn dogs, then doesn't it mean if corn dogs are winners, then Pronto Pups are also winners? And if fairgoers love both or either, that means we are all winners too. Let's save the corny questions for another time and tally up the final votes, shall we? Out of the 16,000 votes cast, Team Corn Dog had a strong showing of 8,055 votes, and Team Pronto Pup received 8,081 votes. That's a narrow win by 26 votes. This has to be one of the closest races of all time. In fact, I think it's a bit too close and suggest a recount for the next time. Thanks for joining me to explore this food feud from the ages. I always enjoy learning about new traditions, even at a place I come to every year. Are you Team Pronto Pup or Team Corn Dog? Let me know in the comments. Till then, stay corny and see you on the next Neel's Nibbles.